So check it out. I found this Marx whistling Mercury on eBay for 15 bucks. I couldn't pass that up. I'm not really a clockwork guy, but it looks really nice. So whoever did, somebody's done a custom paint job on it. And they've obviously added some new handrails and a new front emblem. And the tender was just black, so I added a New York Central decal. I whipped up one really quick just to have something on there. And I'll probably cover spray it just to protect it. But anyway, the only problem I had with it was the clockwork mechanism was full of grease. I had to take a gunk brake cleaner, spray it in there, and to get it out. I've never seen grease in a locomotive like this one. It looks like somebody just coated it with a whole jar of Vaseline. But I did get it running, and so we're going to take it for a spin. You can check it out. Here we go. That whistle mechanism in it is so cool. Well, hopefully we'll get one more lap and it'll make it around here. All right. Right back here. Let's take it for another spin. Just give me a second to wind it up again. I have the key right here. Put it in the slot. I really like like I said, I'm not much of a clockwork guy, but I really do like these with the whistling Mercuries are nice. I have a whistling Commodore Vanderbilt too. So let's see if we can get that on there without too much issue. There we go. And we'll get it back here where we can start it, and here we go. It's a little incline here it has to get over, but once it does, it takes right off. See if I can follow it around the lap here. And we'll put it down. See if it makes it one back to a start. And it does. Look at that. That's perfect. Hey, thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.